streets. You said
Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Saeed Maz Gilani and you are watching my YouTube channel Maz Electronics. So in this video I will show you how to make your own time delay spot welder switch like this. So this video is sponsored by PCBWay. And guys, PCBWay is a Chinese website which make many type of prototype PCBs and stencils. And also they will offer a PCB assembling. So if you want to make this type of PCB, please visit PCBWay. And guys, if this video is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And now we will make this PCB. Let's get started. Now guys, I will show you how to order your PCB on PCBWay. First of all guys, you want to go PCBWay website. So this is PCBWay website and you can see that many features available on this website. First of all, I will show you how much price of PCBs. You can see that only $5 you can order only 10 pieces of 1 to 2 layer PCB in 24 hours. $5 for 10 PCBs. And also you can order PCB by pressing this orange button. When we press orange button, you can see that this page will be open. You can also click this button. This is quick order PCB, only 1 minute. First of all, you can add Gerber file. This is button for add Gerber file. Now we can add our Gerber file. You can see that I upload my Gerber file. Its dimension is 90 multiplied by 40 mm. And you can see the different design panel. I have only one design panel, so I can order only one. And you can see that size automatically insert in this table, and I also select my PCB quantity according to my need, and I also select all the parameters according to my need, like soldering mask, silk color, gold fingers or not, surface finishing, etc. And after I select all the parameters in this table, now I will go to shipping. So you can see that you can select 24-hour shipping and extra urgent, and you can also select your country and shipping method. You can see that they have many type of shipping method according to your choice. And after I selecting all the parameters, I insert my email address and add to cart and check out my PCB from PCBWay. So guys, after a few weeks I received my parcel from PCBWay. So this is a box of PCBWay. Now we unbox it. After unboxing, you see the stuff in box. So first of all, this is our PCB. So that was I ordered from PCBWay, and they have some creative logos from PCBWay. They celebrating its year from 2014 to 2019, and this is a small gift from PCBWay. This is a PCBWay pen, you can see that. So thank you PCBWay for sending me this gift. Now guys, we can unpack our packing and see the PCB quality. After removing the packing, guys, you can see the quality of PCB. So I ordered only 5 pieces of PCBs from PCBWay. So if you want to order this type of PCB, if you want to order this type of PCB, please visit PCBWay for this high quality PCBs. So guys, this PCB is for spot welder delay switch. We can insert all the components in this spot welder delay switch PCB and test our only one PCB. So first of all, we need some components for making complete PCB. Now guys, these are some parts that we use in our PCB. So I told you about these parts. This is 10K variable for time setting, and this is 12-volt relay for triggering our transformer. This is 220 UF 50-volt capacitor. This is bridge rectifier, and guys, these are two transistor, NPN transistor C1815. This is 100 UF 50-volt capacitor. This is IC with base IC number is CD4093, and we also need 3 terminal blocks, 1 UF capacitor and some resistance and LEDs. So guys, these are the parts that we use in our PCB. So first of all, we need PCB holder for holding the PCB. Now guys, we insert all the parts in our PCB. Now guys, we insert all the components in our PCB except these 2 terminal blocks. Now we can solder these components. Now guys, you can see that we solder all the components in our PCB. Now our PCB is ready. First of all, I'll tell you something about this PCB. You can see that the soldering terminal of this PCB is gold plated. You can see that this is not a silver plated, this is gold plated. Gold plated terminal has a long life than silver plated. You can make your PCB with gold plated terminals. So this our PCB is become ready, and I also told you some information about this PCB. They have 2 terminals. This terminal is only for transformer. You can connect any 12 volt transformer, AC transformer direct with this terminal, and this terminal is only for 12 volt battery and 12 volt adapter. You can connect your 12 volt battery or adapter with this terminal. And this terminal is only for transformer for port welding. So you can connect 220 volt of port welding transformer with this terminal with the help of this relay. This relay will be trigger the transformer by delay switch. So we can connect our delay switch with this terminal. So we can connect our delay switch with this terminal. Now guys, we connect our switch with this terminal. So now we can test our delay switch, it's working or not. Now guys, I connect this DC jack with our PCB. Now we can connect 12 volt adapter with this DC jack. So guys, when I connected, you can see LED will be power off, and after some time it will be power on. Now when I press this switch, relay will be power on for some time and power off rapidly. You can see that. You can see that our relay is working on the time when I press this switch. So you can increase and decrease the time by rotating this potentiometer. So I will decrease the time. You can see that it's not working. If I increase some time, you can see that it's working rapidly. So I also increase some time. You can see the delay between the time. I also increase some more time. You can see that our PCB is working very good. So this is the maximum time. So guys, this circuit is also used in spot welds. If you want to weld something, you can press this button and transformer of spot welder will be on and instantly off, and it will weld your things. So you can use in all type of spot welder. Now guys, we will connect 220 volt AC load with this terminal and test again this PCB. Now guys, this is our 220 volt bulb. So we can use this bulb as a spot welder transformer. So we can connect it with our circuit. So I cut only one wire and connect it with our PCB. So now we can connect these two wires to 220 volt supply. And guys, you can see that I connect my 220 volt supply. Now I press this button and time delay circuit will be working. Now I decrease all the time, and you can see that when I press it's not working. When I increase some time, it's work rapidly. You can see that. I also increase some time. And increase more. Increase more. So guys, this LED is also for indication of our relay. When relay works, LED will be off, and when relay is not working, LED will be delay. And guys, you can see that our delay time switch is working good. You can use this PCB in any type of spot welders and any type of time delay projects. If you want to order this PCB, please visit PCBWay for ordering this type of high quality PCBs. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, and I will give you a more interesting video like this. Allah Hafiz.